Companies pay and report taxes to authorities. The authorities determine when and where the company pays its taxes. Tax authorities can be countries, states, regions, or cities. You can pay sales tax through a vendor or to the sales tax authority directly. To pay sales tax through a vendor, you should specify the vendor's account number together with the correct sales tax authority. Sales tax payments are transferred to the system to the vendor making the payment. To make payments to the sales tax authority, you must enter the sales tax authority's address information.
In this demonstration, I'll show you how to set up and create a sales tax authority. These are found in the General Ledger underneath Setup, Sales Tax, and then Sales Tax Authorities. On the Sales Tax Authority screen, you'll see a list of each of the different sales tax authorities that you need to pay taxes to. I'll go ahead and create a new one. For my example, I'll call it WYA, which stands for Wyoming Authority. You can also give the authority an identification number. Next, if a vendor account has been created for your authority, you can select it in the vendor account. For my example, I've not created a vendor account for Wyoming, so I'll leave it blank. Next, in the report layout, you'll select which report layout you want to use. You can select the default layout or any one of the other countries that are configured for AX. For my example, I'll select the US report layout because Wyoming is in the United States. Next, on the right side of the form, you'll select how you want rounding to work for this particular sales tax authority. In this particular case, I'll select the normal option. You can also select from downward, rounding up, or own advantage. In the round off field, you can type in the amount that the amounts must be rounded up to. For example, if all amounts should be rounded up to the nearest dollar, you can type in $1. Next, on the Address tab, I can add an address to this record. You'll notice that the New button is disabled, so if you save the record, then the New button will become enabled, and you can add an address for this particular sales tax authority. Next, on the Contact Information tab, you can enter detailed contact information such as the telephone, fax, and email. When you're finished, you can close the form.